Hey Insta fam, how are you guys? Uh, just waiting for my guest to log in. Um, First of all, let's introduce you all to my show, The Mommy's Talk. It's a why did I think about this show? Is since being a mom. Hey Vishal, how are you? Okay, being a mommy blogger, I came to know like time management with kids. Oh my god, it's really tough. Okay. Hi Swati. Hi Dr. Sapna. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I think Ila ma'am is also here. Let's check out. Okay, Ila is not here. Instagram name the pink obsessions of dot official. She isn't here yet. Okay, we are going to talk on the kids psychology today. She's a professor of educational psychology. For the pink obsessions, hey Ella, please log in. A fast guest. Hey Ella, did you get my request? Thank you guys for joining. The pink obsession, please. Are you there? We're waiting for you to join. Let's get connected. There are many people waiting for you. Okay. She's unable to join. Let's see again. Let's try again. Hey La, are you there?
Hi, can you see me?
No.
Uh,
Hey guys,
I
can you
think so
see
there's
Hila
some
too?
problem.
Please reply.
I think so.
Are you able to see me?
Yeah, I'm seeing you, but I don't know, my cam is not working or what has happened. Wait,
Yeah, wait, let me see if other people are able to see you. Hey fam, if you're able to see Ila Jain, the Pink Obsession official, so please write a yes on this. Hey Nitya, hey Yashika, if you're able to see the Pink Obsessions.official, please write a yes on the comment. Oh, I think she got disconnected. Let me check it again. Hey, Lisa. Hi. You're looking
hi.
beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Hi. Connected, but your video is paused, I guess.
No, my video is not paused actually. Is there any network issue with you? Because I'm on a Wi-Fi, but I don't know what has happened to it. Wait, I can something about it.
Yeah, you're getting connected.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sure. We know you're multi-talented.
Thank you so much. But actually, I think sometimes your education is neitherite or you are curious about. Actually, I'm a born learner. I don't know, but if you give me something new, I'm always ready to learn. Even yesterday, I was telling my friend that I really want to do this diploma, and she said, "Ki just now stop, teach your kids. You stop it now." It is because I have
So you
multiple
love doing
things.
these things, God, man, different types of things. Doing on psychology, reading on psychology, and laser technology, and so many things, right?
Yeah, I really love to read. I really love to study. I have a hell lot of
By
books
the
with
way,
me.
I'm
So,
not being able to see you yet. It's, you
okay.
know.
I don't know if it's scam or it's
But
what.
yeah. Yeah. Hey, Instagram, those who are online, are you able to hear Nitya? Sorry, Ila? Are you able to see Ila? Think obsession, are you able to see? Please write a yes on the comment. The many people who joined actually.
Yeah, there are many people, but I'm not seeing anyone. But I'm on a Wi-Fi. I'm still not getting why this is not working.
Okay, it's your side.
Maybe we
It
can do
can be
one
connected
thing.
here.
Wait, it can be. We can do one thing. Okay.
Let me check again. Thanks, Yashika. I got your message. Her video is not paused. Actually, she's not being able to hear and she's not being able to switch on her camera. It's a Wi-Fi problem, I guess. She's checking it again. Network issue every time. Okay, thank you so much, Kalyani. Thank you so much. If you're, hey Nitya,
Okay,
you're visible.
now can you see me?
Yes, yes. So finally,
Okay,
my guest is on the
finally
show.
we can do this.
So beautiful, Leela, you're on the show.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Okay, Instafam. Here's Leela. Insta name the Pink Obsessions official. I want her to introduce herself because she'll introduce it more beautifully, I guess. So up to you.
Okay, okay. So I'm a mother of, first of all, I'm a mother, I must tell that, because many people who don't, who watch my profile, they don't get to know that I'm a mother. I don't know, but
Even
why they
I'm
don't.
confused. Like you're a mother.
So obviously, I know many people don't get to know it because many of the people I ask, they don't read my bio either. I tell them to read my bio. I have mentioned there I'm a mother of a teenager.
Yeah,
So
it's in the highlight, right?
yes, it's I have mentioned it there. So okay, now. So many people don't read my bio. The main problem is that, and I'm into fitness from very young age. I think from my teenage, I'm into fitness, and I became a teacher out of need. I'll say because I always wanted to be a businesswoman. Right now, I'm working for on it, and there were some family circumstances that led me into teaching. So it was just an unplanned thing which happened to me. Then after that, I do my bachelorate in education, then masters in English, then masters in education, then UGC I qualified at the very second attempt, I think so. And then I learned that lasers you were talking about, na? That
Yeah, yeah.
laser techniques. I learned all the lasers regarding skin, hair removal and hair regrow, skin reconstructions, tattoo removals, and all that. And you asked me a question, what is educational psychology, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
educational psychology is a branch of psychology which deals only with the sphere of education, that teaching and learning process, how a learner learns and how a teacher and the educator can educate a learner. That is the main part which is involved in educational psychology and the techniques and management involved in it.
Acha, I saw in your
Okay.
profile you're certified life coach too, right?
Yeah, I'm a certified habits life coach. I got internationally accredited
Yeah,
certificate
even I.
from Braco. and I'm a relationship coach too. And what led me into relationship coaching is my personal experiences with my relationships. So
Okay.
I wanted to have better knowledge and insight into everything. So I went for that.
Okay. So I guess people over here, if you have any relationship problem, please check into the Pink Obsessions official, and you can take our suggestions from
So,
the.
you can ask me for relationship problems, no doubt. But the problem, main thing is that when a relationship problem are with couples, with both of the people, there are two people involved in a relationship. So when it comes to workshop or sessions in relationship coaching, the main thing to look at it is you need both of them. You need to talk to both of them separately. That is the main problem.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
So most welcome. You can DM me for your relationship things.
Everybody
But
else,
I think I
if
have guided
asking you
few
to
of
log
my.
in, you can DM her for any relationship issues. Okay.
Huh.
Yes, already told it on online. Okay. So okay, coming to kids psychology. First of all, let's know what is kids psychology